So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make millions of coins easily in FC Mobile right now. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So it's the weekend, which means as you can see in challenge mode, we've got this new Team of the Season weekend challenge mode, right? So you can go ahead and play it, and you can get 88 to 99 overall player pack. Obviously, you can go ahead and pack a good player there, and if you pack someone high overall, you're gonna be making a lot of coins. But this is gonna help you make some coins by investing in some of the cards as well. So basically, if you go into the exchanges, we obviously got these Team of the Season exchanges, right? 94 to 98 as well as 94 to 99 overall exchanges. And just because right now we've got that 88 to 99 overall weekend challenge mode, the 90 plus overall players are decreasing in price. And when the new league Team of the Season, which is Serie A Team of the Season, is going to come out, those players' prices are going to go back up in price, just because a lot of people will want them to go ahead and open this pack, for example, to go ahead and put them in this player pack, to then go ahead and open this pack, or maybe just go ahead and open this pack straight away with 90 plus overall cards. So basically 90 plus overall cards right now are decreasing in price because of that challenge mode. So now I would suggest you to go ahead and buy those 90 plus overall cards about maybe later today or tomorrow, because their prices are going to go down. Basically, if you go ahead and take a look at 90 overall cards right now, and if you go for the cheapest ones, or if you don't go for the cheapest ones as well, as you can see, Bamford is about 2.8 million coins now. You can get him for 2.8 million coins, and he's gonna go up in price. You can see the prices fluctuating right there, and the reason they are fluctuating is because when we get challenge mode, a lot of people are packing those 90 plus overall cards, and their prices are going down. But when we get new league Team of the Season, and when a lot of people want to open those packs, we need 90 overall cards, 90 plus overall cards. So those prices are going back up in price. Broby, for example, is about 2.8 million coins you can get him for, and there are some of the other ones that are quite a lot cheaper as well. If you go ahead and take a look at the cheapest 90 overall cards, for example, we can see they're about 2.7 million coins, 2.8 million coins, something like that. You can get this Okazaki for 2.72 million coins. That's pretty much the cheapest you can get them for, but they are gonna go up in price. As you can see, Rafael Leao is going to go up to 3.4, 3.5 million coins, and same thing with most of these cards. You should go ahead and try to buy these 90 overall cards, because they're at their cheapest at this point, or maybe later today, tomorrow even, they're going to be at their cheapest, and you can go ahead and buy them to then sell them, obviously, for a lot more expensive price. If you go and buy 10 of them, and if you make 500,000 coins from each one of those cards, you're going to be making 5 million coins that way very, very easily, right? Not only 90 overalls, but 91 overalls are going to increase in price. You can see here, you can get this Irving card for 2.7 million coins. He's in my opinion going to drop a little bit more in price. Like these 90 plus overall cards might drop a little bit more in price, to 2.5, 2.6 million coins. But then when we get Serie A Team of the Season, they are going to go back up to 3.4, 3.5 million coins, because as I said, a lot of people will want to open those Serie A Team of the Season player packs. If you go out and take a look at the 91 overall players, it's pretty much the same thing in that one as well. Not really, actually. 91s, it might not work with some 91s. It might work with other 91s, but not all of them, because the 91 overall players are capped at 3.3 million coins, as you can see. So it's not going to work that well. But some Team of the Season card, for example, Hector Herrera right there, might go up in price. Team of the Season ones for 91 overalls might be decent, because they might go ahead and fluctuate. As you can see, Merkan was about 3.8 million coins, and he's going back up in price right now. And when we get that new league Team of the Season, those Team of the Season players, 90, 91s even, are going to go back up in price. Muslera is about the same price, but about 4.5 mil, right? So yeah, I think those Team of the Season cards as well, 90 overall Team of the Season, 91, 92 overall Team of the Seasons, it might be a good idea to go ahead and invest in them straight away as well. But the best investment is just 90 overall cards, because a lot of people are buying those 98 overall cards to then open 90 to 93 overall exchange player pack, and then obviously open 94 to 98 overall Team of the Season player pack. I might go ahead and open one of these packs today, I might go ahead and open one of these today, because why the hell not? Let me go ahead and buy some 90 overall cards. The cheapest ones, of course, which should be about 3.7 million, not 3.7 mil, 2.7 million coins for me. I might buy them for a little bit more expensive just to get them right now, but you can get them for about 2.72, 2.75 million coins, something like that. Let me go ahead and see. Yeah, there we go. I can get 2 Kearneys for 2.77 mil. I can get him for 2.7 as well, about that price, but I'm just gonna grab one of these for 3 million coins just to open this pack in this video. Okay, 2.7 mil. I should be able to get that Kearney card as well. I think I need one more actually, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab just one more to open that pack for today's video. We've got him. I mean, 3 million coins, we can definitely spend that as well. I don't really mind it too much. I'm gonna just buy one of these Rodriguez's, but you should not do that. I'm just doing it just for this video. You should not do any of this. You should just wait. You should just go ahead and bid for 2.7 to 2.8 million coins and grab them at that price, and then when they go up, obviously you can go and sell them for a lot more expensive price, as I said. Right, let's go ahead and put these cards in, as well as 80 pluses, which I should have a lot of in my squad. I do need to sell that at the Yummy card. Is about 500,000 coins, which is obviously a lot. Let me go ahead and quick add for these silver cards and open this 90 to 97 overall player pack. Here we go. We've got Herrera, we've got Scales, and we've got another Scales card. So nothing insane. But do I need to? I think I need to buy just one more team. This is 90 overall card. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. I don't want to use that 93 overall tradable card that I've got, even though I can't sell that Hernandez card right now. I still don't want to you put that into that exchange. Let me go ahead and try to buy a 90 or a 91 overall team of the season card quite quickly, and we're gonna open that pack very easily after that. They're about 4.3. You have about 4.3 million coins for most of them, so we're gonna just buy Minamino, 4.5 mil for Minamino. Guardiola is worth, we can get them for 4.2 mil, but not straight away. No, we cannot get that straight away. I'm just gonna go ahead and get another Hector Herrera for about 4.2 million coins, and there we go. We're gonna go ahead and open that pack right now. 94 to 98 overall player pack. Let's open this 80 to 97 first. Let's see if we're gonna get a walkout. No walkout. 80 overall Bowman is the only one that I've got. Not this pack. I'm gonna open this pack. It's La Liga team of the season, so we can pack Griezmann, we can pack Vinicius Jr., Bellingham, Dobik. We can get some good players. Did I pack any high overall La Liga players? I don't think I did. I didn't pack any high overall La Liga players. So hopefully we're gonna pack someone good in this video right there. I'm not gonna put Hernandez. I'm gonna put Bonucci because he's untradeable, obviously. So there we go. And 94 to 98 overall player pack. Give me someone good then from this pack. 94 to 98 overall. Give me someone good. I haven't packed a single good La Liga team of the season, as I said. Oh, this is not a good one as well. This is not even a La Liga team of the season player. This is just Wanaken. This is a very bad pack right there. And Inaki Williams. I have packed Inaki Williams before. Not a good pack at all. It was definitely not worth it to open that pack. And most of the times that 94 to 98 overall player pack is not worth it. I would say 94 to 99 is worth it, just because you need 4 94 overall cards, and you're gonna get guaranteed 3 94 overall cards back. But also you've got a chance to get higher overall player. You also got a chance to get 4th player, which is gonna be an icon. So that one is worth it. But 94 to 98 overall exchange packs, in my opinion, are not worth it, especially if you're spending coins to do that. Especially if you're buying the players from the market to do that. But you can definitely make quite a lot of coins by just investing in 90 overall cards during the weekend.